I think it was a great experience because it has such a strong international presence with companies from Germany, China, Russia, and us representing UK as a Kazakh branch. So I love that international scope, and I love the strong presence of a lot of our customers coming here. We had made new leads, and we have made important meeting progresses with our existing customer base. All of our contacts has been interested and relevant to us, so it has been on point, and they're interested to see all the holistic capabilities we have with different innovations. Definitely we would like to attend next year for sure.